tip it in the head. Look. Whakalawalahiatu and welcome. I'm going to show you how we eat the unga. Ono mai, kai e unga. Koe unga a e. Unga. Unga. Ulu he unga. This is the, we say ulu unga, but actually it's the stomach of the unga. And this is these are the hui motua. Hui motua here. Sometimes they call it spanner. Hui motua. The hui unga, tuke unga, tua he unga, you know, tua, back. Tua means the back he unga. But if you see these small legs here, it's called hui saluti. Because every time in the unga, you know, this, yes, goes like this, both. That's why they call it hui saluti. Haya koe unga. Sika kai e unga first. Because after you boil it, you bring it out. Then you papaki e uru unga. You know, you break the unga head. Papaki e uru unga. Uru unga e si hele. Hele. Cut. And pull out the unga. This is the gut of the unga. You don't eat this. Ai kai e nei. When people don't eat this. This is the gut, because this is the stomach of a unga. Hei koe uru unga e. You see? That's what the uru unga inside looks like. It's a ngako he unga. See, hei. Fole e tua, you peel the back. Look, ngako e unga means it's a fat unga. And you take this off, the legs. Hui motua he unga. Hei to hui he unga. Mi taki lahi e hinga e. Hei. Kisia na kai e kakano he unga. This is the unga flesh. See? Look, you tip it in the head. Look. Yummy. And you kayaki e wala taro. You eat with a piece of taro. Taro in the overhead. And look. Nice. So you know now, when you come to Niue, you know what to do, right? When they give you a unga, you know what to do. You use a knife or something that is a little bit heavy, and you crack it. Look. Taste. Nice. Look. Tip it. Oh, nice. Jackson, how?
Fakoy.
Indy, Ari? Yeah. Here's the sauce. Ooh. Yummy, yummy. Mitaki? Indy? Kai?
Yes, please.
Here, Indy.
Thank you. Okay.
Come on. Hurry. Yeah, fui fui. Fui fui means you dip it. Fui fui loto he. Puke he urunga. Taki na gai. See. Wafanga. Osi mo e kai he unga. And then you finish it off with a coconut. Yummy. Hiya. When you come to Niue, you know now, you have some fair idea what you do when you kai he unga. Take the gut off from the unga because this is the stomach. The head we say uru, but actually it's a stomach. Koe manava he unga. Koe tua e. Koe tua. Koe tuke e. Tuke unga. Like this one. This part, koe tuke. Tau hui sipana, uru unga, tua, tau hui salut. Haya, pawe machot, pawe ka maheki au ka mai niu ke kai.